Did you know that North Park was voted one of the top 10 most popular neighborhoods in the nation? Well, this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house is located in the heart of North Park at the end of a cul-de-sac. It is quiet living with lots of square footage inside, as well as a huge backyard with so many trees and the wonderful visitors, birds and butterflies. Let's go check it out. This house is like a blank canvas. It has so much potential with so many charming areas about it. Bring your paintbrush. There is so much that you can do with coloring in this beautiful kitchen, and there's so much room, you will never run out of counter space. Imagine Friday afternoons having tea on this back porch, viewing the canyon and the quiet backyard. Amazing. Potential, potential, potential. Off an alley with lots of parking and a detached 2-car garage. Imagine the possibilities.
For more information on this great opportunity in North Park, make sure to reach out to us.